Welcome to this essential reliability guide, where we will cover the 3 types of motor failures you must avoid. This video is designed for students, educators, and electrical professionals. Motor reliability is the backbone of modern production and safety. We call it the industrial heartbeat, as motor failures can cause significant downtime and safety hazards. Motor failures fall into 3 main categories: electrical, mechanical, and environmental. Understanding these categories is the first step in effective predictive maintenance. Electrical issues relate to the windings, insulation, or power supply. Mechanical issues involve stress on bearings, shafts, and couplings. Environmental factors are external, such as moisture, dust, and temperature extremes, which can degrade the motor over time. Type 1 is the electrical breakdown. This includes insulation failure from heat or voltage surges, and winding shorts that cause catastrophic burnout. Voltage unbalance is another key electrical breakdown. Just a 3.5% unbalance can increase motor temperature by 25%, drastically reducing motor life. Type 2 is bearing fatigue, which accounts for over 50% of all motor failures. Bearing issues are the primary mechanical culprit. Key causes of bearing fatigue include improper lubrication, too much or too little, shaft misalignment, and excessive vibration. Type 3 involves environmental factors. Thermal stress from accumulated dust prevents heat dissipation, shortening component life. Moisture and corrosion cause rust, leading to electrical tracking and shorts. Contamination from abrasive particles wears down insulation and bearings. Finally, poor power quality, with harmonics and transients from the grid, causes electrical fatigue over time. The statistics clearly show that bearing issues are the dominant failure mode at 51%. Winding and insulation failures account for 16%. External factors contribute 11% to failures, while other causes make up the remaining 22%. This data highlights the critical need for bearing maintenance. Our symptom diagnostic guide connects visible symptoms to probable root causes and required actions. For excessive noise, the root cause is often bearing failure or misalignment. An acrid, burnt smell points to winding insulation breakdown, requiring a winding resistance check with a megger. A high surface temperature suggests overload or restricted airflow. A tripping circuit breaker often indicates an internal ground fault or short, requiring a full insulation and surge test. Predictive maintenance uses specialized tools. Thermal imaging identifies hotspots in connections and bearings before failure occurs. Vibration analysis detects mechanical imbalances and early bearing wear, offering timely intervention opportunities. Motor circuit analysis, or MCA, assesses the health of the windings without requiring the motor to be disassembled. Thank you for watching this video on the 3 types of motor failures you must avoid. Focusing on electrical, mechanical, and environmental factors is key to maintaining motor reliability. Implementing a proactive maintenance strategy will significantly reduce downtime and improve safety in your operations. We hope this guide proves valuable for students, educators, and electrical professionals alike.